check. Hello. Hello. Mic check.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. We are the children of Vijay Public School. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. We are the children of Vijay Public School. We welcome you all for our talent show to show you our dramas and the dances now. Pretty, pretty faces we have, chirpy, chirpy cheeks we have. We are the gay butterflies in yellow and blue. We sing and dance today, we jump and play today. It's a jolly and happy day. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. We are the children of Vijay Public School.
I invite Sri B.N. Reddy, Chief Guest of the function, to come over the dais. I request Dr. Mugurala Rama Reddy, President of this evening, to take his respective seat on the dais. I invite Dr. Geeta Reddy to occupy her respective seat over the dais. I request Sri Raja Reddy, President of Ideal Education Society, to come over. I invite Srimati B. Prabha Devi, correspondent of the school, to come over the dais. I invite Srimati Vasanta, Principal, Vijay Public School, Mubarak Nagar, to come over the dais. Garland, our chief guest, Sri B. N. Reddy. Rama Reddy, President of this function. Will Garland, Dr. Geeta Reddy, our guest.
Give a nice picture. Okay. Reddy, MS, USA, writer and chief consultant, Virgo Architects and Engineers, Hyderabad, and the president of the function, Sri Dr. Mukirala Ramareddy, ex-deputy director, Telugu Academy, guest, Srimati Dr. Geeta Reddy, parents, and light of the town. It is a great pleasure for me to present the school report this evening. Vijay Public School has been established in the year 1981 June and is being managed by Ideal Education Society. The members of the managing committee are Sri G. Raja Reddy, President, Sri N. Vivekanand, Vice President, Sri N. Kishan Reddy, Secretary, Srimati Amrita Reddy, Joint Secretary, Srimati A. Vijay Bharati, Treasurer. The following are the special features of Vijay Public School. In order to create competitive spirit among the children from the childhood, we have introduced gold medal to the child who stands first rank in the school every year. We have adopted the latest educational methods such as Playway and CNC method, etc. to create interest among the students. As the school is not being run on commercial basis and completely meant for the welfare of the students, the managing committee shows the budget of the school to the parents every year in the parents' meeting. Understanding between teachers and mothers, every year we arrange mothers' gathering in which we conduct some games and also discuss the problems of their children with the mothers. In order to provide lodging and boarding facilities for the children who come from rural areas, our society has started a hostel since June 1981. At present, there are 50 children and 5 teachers, maintaining the teachers-pupil ratio of 1:24, as there are 960 children for 40 teachers. This year, we have classes from PP1 to 9 as our school has been upgraded to high school. Our school building is a rented one, which provides us with 36 classrooms for science, social and games equipment. We have provided adequate sanitary facilities such as separate toilets for girls and boys with 20 toilet rooms each. The managing committee provided conveyance facilities for every nook and corner of the city. In order to cultivate interest among the children in extracurricular activities, we have introduced karate and yoga asana classes. I feel happy to say that the students of our school have been provided with latest advanced educational equipment and audio-visual aids. This year, we have provided adequate library facilities by purchasing magazines worth of rupees 200 month every year. To enable the pupils secure practical scientific knowledge, we have provided all the necessary scientific equipment. Last year, 38 pupils have appeared 7th class common examinations and we got 100% result. In the academic year 1986-87, 2 students, Sripad and Ramakrishna from 7th class have received Vignana Paritoshikam scholarship rupees 500 each, and also Sripad got 9th rank in the district. 2 students from our school, G. Swapna, daughter of Mohan Reddy, and T. Sirisha, daughter of D. Srinivasa Rao, have been selected for Navodaya Residential School. We have celebrated 15th August and 14 November currently. Games and sports were conducted to the children and prize winners were given prizes on the same day. We have celebrated National Integration Week successfully. We celebrated Republic Day and Mothers Gathering on the same day. Few games were conducted to the mothers and the prize winners will receive the prizes now. We have provided 2 acres of playground. This year we have introduced team games like Kabaddi, Kho-Kho, Volleyball and Basketball for both boys and girls. In order to create all-round development in the pupils, we have allotted a special period for the co-curricular activities in which we conduct mass drill, dumbbell, lessons, karate, yogasana, SUPW, library, etc. I close my report with the hope that cooperation of the parents and the helping hands of the pupil will be there forever for the betterment of the institution. I thank you well and all.
Parents and my dear friends, I stand in front of you to present our student activity report. In connection with the Talents Week, the Rotaract Club has conducted some competitions in the month of October 1987. Rohit Reddy of 7th class got first prize in drawing and Ramakrishna of 9th class got a second prize in English essay writing competition. Anjali Joshi of 8th class was given a special prize. Jawahar Bal Bhavan has conducted inter-school competitions. Rohit Reddy of class 7th was adjudged first in that competition. In connection with the Talents Week, the Leo Club of Indoor conducted various competitions in the month of November 87. Our team members P.V. Arvind 7th, Manas of 5th, Srikanth 7th, Venugopal 7th, bagged first prize in the drum chariots. The Hindu Youth Congress I conducted inter-school running competitions. Prasanna Rani of class 7th was adjudged the best runner in the competition. On 15th August 1987, a quiz competition was held under the guidance of Sri Eshwatar Swami between Armoor Vijay Public School 7th class students and Nizamabad 7th class students. Our team won the quiz competition. We all added our puny hands and worked together in constructing our stage. Lions Club of Nizamabad conducted inter-school science fair in November 87. My friend Ramakrishna and myself demonstrated the weight of an empty glass when immersed in the water, experiment and got the shields. The Telugu Velugu Samakya conducted general knowledge competition in August 87. Ramakrishna of 9th class got second prize. We have honored our teachers Sri Dilip sir, Srimati Shobha Devi, Miss Manga and Srimati Rekha in connection with Teachers' Day celebrations. I conclude my report by extending my thanks to the teachers and the management who have molded us in curricular and co-curricular activities. Thank you, Anand.
Now, prize distribution by Dr.